my gosh, do I need to update my LinkedIn page now? Do I need to do this now? Like if I'm only one person, what should I post on social media now? Should I do a video on my YouTube now? What should I do? But I also have to do this challenge, and the challenge has homework, and
okay, you said it so eloquently, but yes. And that is, I mean, what you did was you took what's in so many people's head and you just verbalized it, because that's exactly what's happening is we're like, okay, we need to get all of this done, and you're throwing spaghetti at the wall and you're like, okay, where am I going to start? Which spaghetti strand is going to stick that I should be focusing on? And what happens is it's very difficult to know where to focus. And therefore, what happens when you're running a business is it can go really slow. And often it doesn't happen, or there's all kinds of wasted money and time. So these are important things for everyone watching. I see this all the time. So those are the things that you want to be aware of, Natasha. So just kind of keep that in your mental, your pocket. And so when Carol talked about, as a business owner, you want to be increasing that dominance part of you. So one thing that I talk about with all my clients is the first thing that needs to happen in order for change to occur is you have to become aware. There's 3 A's. The first one is awareness. So once you have that awareness, it's like, great, I now know what my challenges are. The second part is the action. This is going to be very, very big for you, because the action is where you're like, okay, yep, just like what you said, I need to do social media. I need to take this course. I need to finish this project. I need to actually make money somewhere along the way here.
Sometime, at some point,
Yeah, and I need to let people know that I even have a business, right? It's okay.
Yeah.
It's okay. But that's where the action part really comes in, and you want to be clear. Here is where the mental part comes in. What I want you to do is really think about what story you're telling in your head. You're the social butterfly. You don't need a sales training. You have it. You just need to talk. And you're probably going to need to refine it a bit, but you have the hardest part, which is being able to communicate, and you communicate beautifully. So get over the part where you're saying, I'm not good at sales. Yes, you are. You just need to know what you're saying, right? You need to get clear on that part, but you have the hard part down. So what I want you to do is think about the story that you're telling in your head. We all have stories that we believe about ourselves. I think of it as our mind movie, our personal mind movie. Become clear on what you're saying to yourself. You said earlier,